Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you Dolibarr tutorial for beginners. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So Dolibarr is a modular and open source solution. So this means you can tailor the platform to your specific needs by enabling only the features relevant to your business. So whether you're running a startup, a small business, or a nonprofit organization, Dolibarr offers tools to streamline operations and improve efficiency without requiring extensive technical expertise. So you can host it locally or in a cloud, giving you complete control over your data and deployment preference. Now, let's discuss the key features here for Dolibarr. So first is they have CRM. So the CRM module helps businesses manage client interactions, track sales, pipelines, and organize customer information. This improves customer retention, streamlines the sales process, and strengthens the client relationships. We also have project and task management. So Dolibarr includes tools for assigning tasks, tracking progress, and managing resources efficiently. This fosters better team collaboration and ensures projects are delivered on time. They also have modular architecture. So Dolibarr's modular design allows you to activate only the tools you need. With over 50 core modules and additional add-ons, it provides flexibility for industries ranging from retail to manufacturing. So this keeps the interface simple and scalable as your business grows. Now, they also have inventory and warehouse management. So the platform simplifies stock tracking here and order management and warehouse organization. So this ensures transparency in inventory levels and smooth supply chain operation, reducing errors and inefficiency. Now, we also have the capability of using accounting and invoicing. So Dolibarr offers the integrated tools for financing management, including expense tracking, invoicing, and track compliance. So these tools help businesses stay financially organized and eliminate the need for third-party software. And also the platform itself is open source and free to use. So being an open source, Dolibarr is free to download, use, and modify. So it benefits from a thriving developer community that provides regular updates, new features, and ongoing support. So this makes it a low-cost solution with limited customization potentials. Now, you might be asking here why choose Dolibarr. So Dolibarr stands out for its adaptability, affordability, and ease of use. Here are some reasons why you might want to choose or use it. So first, it's cost effective. So it's free and open source, and which eliminates the restrictive pricing plans. And also it's customizable here. Its modular design ensures you can tailor it to your specific business needs. And also, it's user friendly. So, an intuitive interface minimizes the learning curve, even for users with limited technical knowledge. And they have a comprehensive feature here. So, Dolibarr integrates back office and front office functions, covering everything from accounting to inventory management. And they also have an active community here. So, continuous updates and support from dedicated developer community keep the platform reliable and current with industry trends. Now, you might be asking, is Dolibarr right for you? So, if you're looking for a powerful ERP and CRM solution that's flexible and affordable, then Dolibarr is an excellent option here. Whether you're a startup or startup organizing your operations or established company refining your process, it's designed to grow with your business. Its combination of simplicity, scalability, and functionality makes it a strategic partner in business growth. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.